It is in your moments of decision that your destiny is shaped. This is according to Tony Robbins, who is a world-renowned life coach. Robbins believes that it is our decisions, not our conditions, that determine our destiny. Robbins has helped millions of people around the world change their lives for the better. He is best known for his infomercials and self-help books, including his bestseller, Awaken the Giant Within. In his book, Robbins writes about how we can take control of our lives by making quality decisions. He says that every decision we make shapes our destiny. Therefore, it is important to be mindful of the decisions we make. If you want to change your life for the better, Tony Robbins says that it all starts with making quality decisions. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, show your love in comment box, and subscribe our channel for more such motivational and spirituality-oriented videos. Thanks for supporting the channel.